If leaks and rumors are to be believed, the Pixel 7a is shaping up to be the perfect mid-range Android phone. The latest leaks and rumors come courtesy of a leaker named Kuba, who was also behind the camera leak for this phone. Now, one of the biggest gripes against the Pixel 6a was the lack of a high refresh rate display. Looks like Google has finally decided to put that matter to bed.
That's what she said!
Now, without revealing his sources, Kuba has said that the upcoming mid-ranger is rumored to include a 90Hz 1080p panel, which is being sourced from Samsung. If this ends up being true, it will be a huge change for the A series line and kind of a blow for the Pixel 7. Right now, one of the biggest differentiators between these phones is the lack of a high refresh rate display. Of course, there are other differences, which from the looks of it are also being addressed in the 7a. Other gripes that reviewers had with the 6a were the use of the same old 12.2 megapixel main sensor and lack of wireless charging. Google appears to have heard these as well. In the camera drivers, Kuba revealed that Google might finally change that 12.2 megapixel sensor in favor of an updated Sony IMX 7.8 sensor recently seen in the likes of Nubia Z40 Pro and ZTE Axon 40 Ultra. The same sensor has also appeared in some recent Pixel 4 leaks, further fueling this leak. Wireless charging is set to be introduced in the A series as well, though it will be at a petty rate of 5 watts. Furthermore, this could mean the Pixel 7a getting a glass back or a metal back with a hole just like the Pixel 5. I suspect the former to be more likely, but we'll find that out in about 6 months from now. Now, without any discounts, this will make the Pixel 7 a lot more tough to sell considering the 7a will offer most of what Pixel 7 has. Heck, forget the Pixel 7, Google might have a tough time selling the Pixel 8. If all these leaks about the 7a come to fruition, Google might need to step it up for the Pixel 8. How can Google do this? Well, it could start with a 120Hz panel, faster charging, both wired and wireless, including reverse wireless charging, a change in design along with a frosted glass back, and a better build quality. As for the pricing, it is hard for me to imagine a scenario where Google is likely to keep the same $449 price tag for the 7a considering the upgrades it will have. A price tag of $499 is much more likely. Then again, the Pixel 7 costs $599, and this could mean Google increasing the price of Pixel 8 at $649 or even $699. Now, could we be looking at a Pixel 8 Ultra next year to complete Google's phone lineup? If true, Google would have phones at all possible sweet spots. $499 for the Pixel 7a, $649 for the Pixel 8, $849 for the Pixel 8 Pro, and $999 for the Pixel 8 Ultra. But that's a discussion for a future video, and that's it for this video guys. Let me know what you think, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.